Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to convert image to PDF on iPhone. First, open your Photos app or the Gallery app if you're using that. Choose the photo or photos that you want to convert into a PDF. If you are selecting multiple photos, just tap Select at the top and pick the ones you want. Next, once your photos are selected, tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down a bit and you will see the Print option. Don't worry, you are not going to print anything. But this is where the magic happens. When you tap print, you will see a preview of your photos. Now tap the share button at the top of the screen again. Scroll down and select Save the Files. This is how we will save them as a PDF. Choose where you'd like to save your PDF. You can select an existing folder or create a new one. I will save it to iCloud for easy access. Tap Save and you are done. Now open the Files app on your iPhone. If you cannot find it on your home screen, just swipe down and type Files into the search bar. Open the app and you'll find your newly created PDF there. To make sure it is really in PDF format, just tap on the file and open it. You'll see your photos now converted into a single PDF document. And that's everything you need to know about how to convert image to PDF on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.